All right, question number 5. Notice all the ones that say teacher, all do so that I can assist you on the ones that students that you do, okay? This one's going to assist you on number 6. It says, which equation is parallel to the line in the graph below? So one of these is parallel. One of these will have the same slope and different y-intercept. That's what it means. Okay, you're looking for something that has the same slope but different y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept of this one is -2. And what is the slope of this line? Well, that's why we have something called rise over run. So I'll have to do rise. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2. And it's positive because from left to right it is going up. So one of these has to have the same slope, 3/2. All right, well, let's look at our answer choices. A, y equals 2/3 x minus 1. That's already in slope-intercept. I can tell that the slope is 2/3, but that's not what I want. So those are not going to be parallel because they don't share the same slope. So it's not A. Another one that I can quickly check is letter D because it's in point slope. That means that the number right after the equal sign is your slope. So is this the slope that I want? No, because that little negative changes the whole number. So that's not the same slope. Now let's go to B. B is in standard form. I can't tell the slope until I solve it for y. So remember how we solve for y? You move this guy over. Okay, so you're going to end up with 2y is equal to 4, but you're moving this guy over here by changing the sign, plus 3x. And then you have to divide everybody by 2. So you end up with y equals 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then 3/2 is going to stay 3/2. Now that it's in slope-intercept form, I can tell you that the slope is 3/2. Is that what I want? It is. So I'm thinking B is the answer, but I need to be sure and check letter C. So letter C is almost in y equals form. The only thing they forgot is to divide everybody by 2. If I do that, I'm going to end up with y equals -3/2 plus 4. And I don't want a negative. So it's not C. My better answer is B. Okay. Now, if they would have said perpendicular, then one of these lines would have had the slope of -2/3 because you have to flip the numbers and change the sign. All right, use this for the next question.